Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to clean bathroom exhaust fan. So first thing is to take out the exhaust fan cover. So you just pull it a little bit on the side and there are two metal clips on both sides. You just squeeze them and they come out this way. And the first thing we will do is to clean the cover. I did it last week, so it's not that dirty, but still if you see yours, there will be accumulation here. So we will wash it first. So easiest way to clean vent cover is to clean it in kitchen sink. So first what you can do is just fill your sink with warm water and put a soap in it and then leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it makes the accumulation to come off easily, then you can just use a brush and rub it off like this all around, and then use a spray option on your kitchen tap with hot mode, and then you can just properly rinse it. So this will remove all the accumulations and then make your vent cover clean. So if you see on the fan, there is a lot of dust accumulation with the use. So the recommendation to clean your exhaust fan is once every year. So especially you can do it in the early summer, because in winter the exhaust fan is used a lot, and because of the moisture, these things get pretty dusty and dirty. So before you start cleaning, the very first step is to make sure that the exhaust fan is plugged out. So like this, so you can and then you can go ahead and clean it. So to take off the fan, there are two clips on the side. Some fan comes with screw. So just double check that what your fan system, how your fan system is installed. So for this one, I will be pushing a flathead screwdriver here and on the other side. So in this way, this will unhook it, and then now you can just slightly push it down and it will come out. So once you have this fan out, you just need to clean it. Don't use any water because there is a motor inside that may burn. So use a small brush. So in this case, I'll be using an old toothbrush. So you just need to rub all the parts of the fan so you can remove it. So if you see, there's a lot of debris and dust accumulation. So you just rub it through. So I cleaned it through here, so I'll just shake it. I vacuumed it actually once, but you can see there's a lot of dust inside, so I will be vacuum that as well. So once vacuum is done, I'll just use a damp cloth to wipe around. So if there's any extra dust, that can just come off. Once you clean exhaust fan, you just need to make sure you also clean this duct, and there is this vent that goes out. So use a vacuum again to clean that, and also use a damp cloth. So once this duct is clean and your fan is clean, you can install it back. So make sure the fan vent goes towards the exterior vent there. So you just put it like this and push it up. So now it's properly locked here, and you just push it to make sure it's locked, and then you can plug it in and test the fan. So if you see, it's running and it's all good to go. So now once the fan installed, you can install back the cover. So again, these two metal clips here goes into these ports. So I will just put the first one in like this, and this one goes in, and same thing you have to do on the other side. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.